When you search for the best cat litter mat with scatter control, everything looks the same. Same claims, same photos. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Amazon Basics Less Mess Mat. First up, we have the Amazon Basics Less Mess Litter Trapping Cat Litter Box Mat. Priced at just $17.03, it caught my eye with its simple yet effective design. If you want a straightforward solution to keep your cat's litter mess in check, this is worth a serious look. This mat is designed to tackle the chaos that comes with your furry friend's litter habits. It's 24 x 35 inches, giving it a generous surface area to catch stray litter. Plus, it's waterproof, so any spills or accidents won't seep through and damage your floors. This means less stress for you when it comes to cleaning up after your kitty. The soft material is also gentle on your cat's paws, no more ouchies when they hop out. Over 7,000 of these have been bought in the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now here's the thing, some users have mentioned that it's not the thickest mat out there and can slide around a bit. But honestly, I think if you place it in a low-traffic area, it should stay put just fine. It's a solid option for anyone looking to reduce litter scatter without breaking the bank. So this is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills mat to cut down on litter mess. Skip this one if you're looking for something with extra cushioning or advanced features, but for the price, it delivers decent value. Now, if the Amazon Basics sliding issue concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach with its anti-tracking design. Product number 2, PVive Double Layer Mat. Next up is the PVive Cat Litter Mat, priced at $30.31. What really grabbed my attention is its double-layer honeycomb design. If you want something that promises to keep the litter mess to an absolute minimum, this is a strong contender. This mat is all about efficiency. The anti-tracking easy open edge design allows litter to fall through the large holes, making cleanup super easy. You just lift the mat and pour the litter back into the box, no more wasting litter. It's also waterproof and urine-proof, so you won't have to worry about any liquid seeping through to your floors. Plus, the soft EVA material is gentle on your cat's paws, making it an inviting place for them to step. Given that it's been bought over 4,000 times recently, it seems like many cat owners agree. But I'll be real with you, some users did complain that the mat can be a bit too lightweight, making it move around when their cats jump out. However, if you have a calm cat, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Its ability to trap litter effectively makes it worth considering. This is perfect for you if you have an active cat that tends to scatter litter everywhere. Skip this one if you have a particularly rambunctious kitty that might displace it easily. For the features it offers, the price is quite reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for capturing litter. Product number 3, Kunlun Litter Trapping Mat. The Kunlun Cat Litter Mat comes in at just $10.09, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. Its grid mesh design caught my eye because it's supposed to be great for trapping litter. If you want a budget-friendly option that still performs well, this one is worth a look. It measures 24 x 17 inches and features thick, tight mesh with deep grooves that effectively trap litter that splashes out. The soft PVC material is comfortable for your cat, and it's also waterproof, so cleanup is a breeze. Just shake it off or rinse it down with soapy water. The fact that over 4,000 have been sold recently shows that many cat owners have found value in it. However, some users have mentioned that the mat can be a bit on the smaller side for larger litter boxes. But here's the thing, if you have a smaller space or a less messy cat, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The price makes it a practical choice for many. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an effective mat that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you have a larger litter box or multiple cats, as you might find it lacking in size. For the cost, it's a great option. Now, if you need something that stands out a bit more, the next product is an easy-to-clean alternative with some extra features. Product number 4, Gorilla Grip Litter Mat. The Gorilla Grip Cat Litter Box Mat is next, priced at $16.92. What stood out to me is its textured backing, designed to keep it in place even with active cats. If you want something that can handle a little chaos, this might be the mat for you. The 24x 17-inch mat features thick mesh coils that effectively trap litter and deep grooves that help keep your floors clean. It's also made from waterproof material, so it acts as a barrier against any spills. This mat is also super soft on your cat's paws, making it a comfortable space for them. It's received a good amount of traction with over 3,000 units sold lately. But I did notice some complaints about its durability over time, with users saying it can wear out faster than expected. Still, I think it's a solid choice for most everyday use. If you're careful with cleaning and maintenance, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a mat that stays put while your cat uses it. Skip this one if you have a particularly aggressive kitty who likes to scratch, as it might show wear sooner than you'd like. For the price, you get decent quality. Now, if you're looking for something a bit larger that doesn't compromise on features, the next option might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, Gorilla Grip 35x23 Mat. Finally, we have another Gorilla Grip option, this time at $25.25 for a larger 35x23-inch mat. This one offers all the features of the smaller version but gives you more space to work with. If you're dealing with a bigger mess, this is worth considering. The water-resistant material keeps your floors safe from accidents, and it's gentle on your cat's paws. Having sold 2,000 units recently, it's clear that this one is popular too. However, some users have noted that it can be a bit bulky to handle, especially when it comes to cleaning. But honestly, if you need the extra size for a larger cat or litter box, that might be a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have multiple cats or a larger litter box setup. Skip this one if you're short on space or prefer something more compact. It offers great value for its size and features. In conclusion, these 5 mats each have their own unique strengths, so you really can't go wrong no matter which one you choose. To wrap things up, we've looked at the Amazon Basics Less Mess Mat, PVV Double Layer Mat, Kunlun Litter Trapping Mat, and 2 options from Gorilla Grip. Each offers unique features tailored to different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or something that handles more aggressive cats, there's something here for everyone. Choose one that fits your lifestyle and say goodbye to litter messes for good.